In this class we will learn how to insert center lines and dimensioning, elements necessary for the correct reading and interpretation of the project. With the file available in the class open, let's get started. We will start by inserting the center lines, using these commands present in the Center Lines panel of the Annotate tab. First we define the lines of symmetry with the command centerline. When you enable the command, you are prompted to select two lines. See that, automatically, the center line is inserted and that we can adjust its dimension relative to the project. Also note that the line style is also set. Enter the remaining necessary center lines, leaving the project as shown. Let us now insert the center marking, used in spokes and holes, and carried out with the command center mark. When activating the command, we must select the circumference or arc that will receive the center mark. Note the design with all the center marks inserted. Now let's scale the project and, for that, we first select the quota layer. The sizing command is located in the Dimensions panel of the Annotate tab. We activate the command and, to scale linear elements, we can proceed in two ways. The first is by selecting 2 points from the desired entity and positioning the quota with one click in the graphic area. The other way is by selecting the object to be quoted and then positioning the quota in the graphical area. See. This procedure of selecting the object to scale is valid for arches and circumferences, note. Now we open the Riscador file, made available in the class, to study the dimensioning of angles. We activate the sizing command, type the letter A to enable angle measurement and confirm with an enter. Now we type the letter V to select the vertex of the angle and click on the point representing the vertex. At this time we specify 2 points to define the angle opening and finish by positioning the quota in the graphic area. Here we conclude this lesson, where we learn how to insert center and dimensional lines to complete the project.